Hi you guys, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm using my James Charles palette to create a look for you guys. To be honest, I am a little bit on the fence with the colors I'm going to work with, so that's why I don't have any colors right now. So you guys will just have to wait and see what I choose, but it's going to be good. I know I want to go really dramatic today because I just got, you know, like my hair's up done, my hair is all like slick back, and my brows are so going out, you know, I want to do like a fun going out look. So without further ado, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up for me. Make sure y'all are subscribed to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and we can hop right in. So guys, I have kind of decided I'm going to be working with reds, oranges, yellows, and a serious pop of glitter today. So I'm starting off with this red shade right over here, and I'm taking a very small, you can use like a pencil brush or a really small blending brush. Obviously I have my base on already, my eyes are already primed and all that fun stuff. And I'm going to be creating a halo today, but not so dark in the middle. You guys will know what I mean, but I'm going to be taking this red and I'm just going to be dabbing it into my outer corner. Now you guys, I'm just going to be taking this orange shade right over here, which I have to give a lot of credit to James Charles actually, because this is the only palette in the many palettes that I own that has a actual orange. That's not like a burnt orange or like a red orange or like a purpley orange. This is just orange, and I just love that about this James Charles palette. That's probably my favorite part of this whole palette, and that's why I decided to go with these colors. But I'm going to be taking that and blending out this red. Okay, so now you guys, using that same orange shade, I'm just going to be going in my inner corner because I do want to do kind of like a halo look today. Now taking this really beautiful vibrant yellow over here, I'm just going to be applying that kind of like all over, you know, like all over here on top, and dragging that out, really smoking up that color. Now, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm going to be using my MAC Make-A-Wish eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be using like any old flat tip brush and spraying this with my MAC Prep and Prime, and then applying that to my lid. I'm also dragging that almost like, well, not almost, all the way up, and I'm just kind of very softly bringing that kind of shape, you know, like this angled shape over here, so that when I'm turning my head and all that stuff, you can still see this gorgeous pigment. Now you guys, I'm just going to be lining my waterlines, both top and bottom, with my MAC Coffee eyeliner pencil. Now, I'm sure you can see a massive difference now between this eye and this eye. I do also want you guys to know that I am going a little bit heavier with this pencil than I normally would, because that's gonna add just so much more drama. You can go lighter if you don't want it this dark. That's totally an option. Now you guys, again, going in with this yellow right over here, I'm just going to go in my like inner corner of my lower lash line. And when I initially did this part over here, I did just pull it around the corner and drag it down a little bit. So it's creating this really nice seamless blend right now with the yellow, which I think is perfect. I am going to just touch up a little bit of this red, smudge it into the eyeliner a tiny little bit to darken it up just a smidgen, not a whole lot. I don't want it to look like a hot mess. And yeah, I think it's blending pretty good though with the yellow. I like it. With a little bit of a bigger blending brush, guys, I'm just gonna be going in again with this orange shade just because I feel like I just wanna add a little bit more of that pigment. And I'm just going to be kind of swooping around over here. Nothing too dramatic though. Yeah, I just feel like that pulls everything together. Okay guys, I'm gonna throw on some lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just threw on my lashes, some mascara on my bottom lip. For lips today, I'm using my Too Faced Gingerbread Girl. I literally love this lipstick and it's even better because my sister got it for me. After some consulting with my mans, I decided to put on some Fenty Diamond Milk over my beautiful Gingerbread Girl lipstick. And also looking at this now, I do want to add a little bit more contour. I do like to go really light when I have my base on first. I like to go super light first and see where the eye look takes me. And if it's overly dramatic, then I'm not gonna add any more. But if it's a little bit more subtle, I mean, not that this is subtle with colors and all that stuff, but it is a lighter kind of look, you know what I mean? So I am going to be adding a little bit more contour. And I'm just using my MAC Sculpt and Shape. I'm using my favorite shade in here, which is Taupe. Okay guys, so here it is. This is the finished mystery look with my James Charles palette. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. As y'all know, I don't experiment with like bold lipstick colors ever at all, and every single time I do, I end up hating it. But I actually really like the way that this lip came out. I really do like this lipstick color a lot, and pairing it with a simpler eye is definitely more my speed. I tend to go like either very, very light on the lipstick, almost always, and a little bit more dramatic on the eyes. But because these colors are very toned down, I mean, obviously this is still a very dramatic eye, but we didn't really use any dark tones or anything like that. So I feel like I needed a little something, I need a little bit pizzazz, you know what I mean? So I hope that you guys love it. And if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, turn on those notification bells, and I can't wait to see y'all next time. Bye.